This is our tour pack. We bought it from a company called AdvanBlack. I'll take a picture of that and put it up there. And mine had hard candy apple red with ghost flames in it. Took an extra 3 weeks, I think, to receive. So far it looks pretty good, and it's got the regular latches on it. Open the case. I bought the liner to go inside, and here, in addition to that, here's a plate here. This plate will go underneath this liner, all right, and we'll bolt to the mount here that will go onto the 4-point docking station over here on the bike. Get the light right. Go here where they mount on the 4-point docking station. So I also bought a luggage rack to go on top, all right, to go with it. Now I did buy for the front of it a wraparound backrest for the passenger, and unfortunately that hasn't arrived yet. When it does, we'll take a picture of it, include it in a video. One last item I forgot to mention. These are the package full of accessories, keys, bolts to put the rack on, bolts to put the plate on. We got 2 packs of screws. This will bolt the case to the mounts, and the other one will bolt the luggage rack to the back of the tour pack. So the other thing I do have coming, which isn't here from JP Cycles, is what they call a tour pack relocator, so that you can mount it on there, between there and the mounting plate, and you'll be able to slide it 1 inch forward or 3 inch back to give the passenger some more room. When that comes in, we'll add it to the video. All right, today, it's Tom Alfonsi here again. Today, we're going to be doing install of our tour pack, along with some accessories that go along with it. We have our tour pack here. On top of it, we're going to be putting a luggage rack. All right. We have the base plate. The base plate goes inside the tour pack underneath the liner and bolts down. Generally, it bolts down to the mounting plate, all right, which is already mounted at the 4-point docking station on the bike. The backrest here will go on the front of the tour pack, all right, for our passenger, all right. Now, in addition to that, we have from Kuryakyn, all right, a tour pack relocator. Basically, what happens is it's 2 pieces. This top piece is going to bolt to the bottom of the tour pack, all right, on the other side of the base plate there. And then this base is going to mount, bolt onto the mount on the back of the bike. You can unlock it here with the 4 points, and then slide. You'll be able to slide the tour pack, all right. Generally mounts about here. You can take it 1 inch forward, or you can take it 3 inches back. And with that, with the tour pack on here and the backrest here, it will move back and give the passenger some extra room. So the other item I'm going to add to the tour pack, this is a smoked lensed brake, stop, tail, and turn that I will be adding on. I bought that from NAM's Custom Cycle Products. This is the wire pack. Comes with it. It should piggyback into the wiring on the Harley here, and some screws by which to attach it. It's going to be a project because this thing is not cut for that, so I guess we're going to try my artistic skills. All right, let's get started. All right, I'm going to start by taking the liner. They're Velcroed in out of my tour pack. This is the keeper. It will be screwed to here. I'll hold that open. Probably not a bad idea to do it first. All right, I've tethered the cord to the side of the torque pack, so we should be good to go there. Then our plate will go inside and bolt through to these 4 locations here. Seem to line up perfect. All right, so I've put the base in here. I've got 3 of the bolts in here now. All right, and I've got the torque pack extrusion here. That's the part that's going to slide on the outside. And we're going to torque these to, I believe it said 30 or 40 foot-pounds. I will reread it there. That's where we're at next. All right, so we have the torque pack inside the plate. We have the slider, the extrusion on the bottom. We can now stick the liner back in. I'm going to put the luggage rack on next. Got some little pads here to go down underneath the feet, and we'll screw up through the bottom. Okay, got the luggage rack on. Simple bolt on. We'll take her from there. Okay, got it in. Got the slider extension on. Got the rack on. Got the seat back on. Got the liner inside. We're ready to go ahead and put it on the bike. As you can see, I already have the mount here put on and locked down. That was sitting there before. And then now I've taken the extension, the base, they call it, the extensions on the bottom of the torque pack. All right, I'm going to bolt it down here. I have the bolts sitting in here, but I don't have them tightened up yet. And there's a lock screw right here that you tighten from the bottom, and as you tighten it, it comes up out of the top and keeps it from sliding all the way off. It has a second nut and bolt that goes under there that keeps the bolt from even going down and being able to go loosen up on its own. So it's kind of a double lock system there. So I'll get this tightened down. We'll get another picture. Okay, here's a picture of the, let's see, adjusting screw. As you turn it all the way up, it keeps the torque pack from sliding too far back and off the back. Then this little set screw here, the lock nut on it, keeps this from having the, if it did loosen, it would not be able to come out. So that's a safety catch on it. All right, here's our torque pack on here. See if we get down here low enough. These are releases on the sides here. Can't see where the camera's at. I'm doing this little blind here. All right, there we are. Ooh. That allows me to slide the torque pack back about 3 inches. That's that song for those fat bottom girls. Then we can lock it back up. Actually, I want to leave it forward. Have our luggage rack, backrest for our passenger, and our liners in here, both ends. Guess I could take this stuff. I was using it to weigh it down while it was on a bench so it wouldn't roll over when I lifted the lid. So, Got a liner inside knot. I'll see how much junk I can fit in here now. At least a full-size helmet. That should do it with the torque pack. I have a light bar I got to go on here. I have to do another video of that. I'm going to have to do some drilling and cutting. And I'm not the greatest at that, but we'll find out. So give us a thumbs up if you like. Subscribe if you like. And we'll see you in another video. Thank you.